It's like point.
All right, bet. So let's do pips. So pips are simple. So pips, it's like the, what is it? Percentage in points, something like that.
Yeah.
So when you measure them, you use your tool, right? So then let's say for example from like, well, let's do 30, right? 30, right? Let's do 30, yeah. Even number, even better. All right. So if you go, let's say you're going for a sale right here, right? That would be like a perfect sale entry right there. That's
Yeah.
good. So you're going for a sale. This is your entry. What you're gonna do as the trade goes, you're gonna move your stop loss into break even. Let's say this is your stop loss. You're gonna move your stop loss into break even. So you're gonna adjust it right there. That should be like your number one rule when you take when you're in profit. Once you take the signal, that should be like the first thing you want to do.
Pero es que estoy enredada todavía, Vika, veo tantas líneas ahí.
Oh, okay. So okay, I got you. So let's go back to what are these? These are called candlesticks, right?
The candlesticks, yeah.
You got the black ones, which are the bearish ones, and you got the white
The
ones.
white ones, yeah.
And then you got the weekly, the daily, all the way to the monthly. What that means, like each candlestick is this amount, this worth of time, right? So in the monthly, one candlestick is worth 1 month. In the weekly, one candlestick is worth 1 week. In the daily, hold up, I think my teeth ready to grab it.
Yeah.
All right, my bad. You got bud. Yeah, it's there. It's there. All right, so pips in percentage, back to pips and candlesticks. So basics, pips and candlesticks. So the monthly chart, that means in the daily chart, one candlestick is worth 1 month, 1 day of time. In the 4 hour, one candlestick is worth 4 hours of time. In the 1 hour, 1 hour of time. In the 30 minutes of time. In the other way to the 1 minute, right? So it's like they all fit into each other. So in the monthly, like you're looking at the bigger picture, right? But as you zoom in, you're actually looking at the same candle, you know, little by little, just like it keeps dividing into different pieces, you know? So how do you determine how to take a trade, right? Like you're telling me that you don't understand what you see, right? I got you. So
Yeah.
what you want to look for, let me just put a clean chart. So what you want to look for, you want to look areas for the banks trade. And how you determine those areas? It's simple. You just gotta look for like this high right here. You know, this high right there. I know the bank likes that high. How come they like that high? Because he left this wick, right? He left that wick right there. So that's like a key area that the bank likes, right? And you could point those out. All you gotta do is point out those wicks, you know, you point them out. You know, like, you know how they like to say support and resistance? Like, you know, have you ever heard those terms, support and resistance? So like,
Yes, I have.
yeah,
I have.
basically,
But you
like,
know, I've always been
go ahead.
confused about the
Mhm,
lines. Like, are
mhm.
they necessarily like I have to put them for that?
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, no, like, you don't need support and resistance on every support and resistance, you know, you need like certain ones, you know. So like, let's say I want to take a trade on AU today, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick analysis, right? So I'm gonna look at it on the monthly, and I see like it's at this area of that the banks like, right? Look, there's an order block right here. There's an order block. So order blocks will be like the opposite candlestick, like the opposite candlestick prior to the big move. So that's an order block, and there's an order block down here too, right? So you got two
Yeah.
order blocks, and you have an order block up here too. So you got three order blocks, right? You know, you got one real high, one in the middle, and one in the low, right? So right now, it's testing this order block, and it actually broke through it. You see that it broke through it? So this area right here, you know why it broke through? Because the banks, they want to liquidate. They want to take out that whatever empty space you see in the charts is always areas of liquidation. You know, if there's a lot of empty space down here, that means the banks eventually they're going to come down here and take all this liquidation to come back up, right? So let's look at it. This in the monthly, right? So let me take this out. So we're just gonna focus on that one. I like this order block right here, right? So we go to the weekly now. Now we're gonna look in a smaller time frame. In the weekly, see, I'm seeing like the banks, they like this area. See, it did a double bottom, it did a double bottom, you know, so that's liquidation. When you see this forming, this area right here, then they're gonna come back and take those lows out because they don't want to let nobody win. If you went into a buy right here, and you didn't sell over here, you lost money practically, right? Because you got greedy. And the banks eventually, your greed is the only thing that's gonna kill you in this game because they're always gonna come back to those areas where you went in eventually and take you out, right? So look right there, he tested, he broke through that high, he came back down, he tested, he broke through those lows, he came back up. So most likely it's gonna probably come over here, you know, somewhere over here, like, because there's a lot of liquidation there. So I would like to see something like this, like come all the way over here, and that will be your entry for like a sell, you know, like a small entry, like real tight, like you stop loss over here, or maybe let's look at it in the daily, all right? Now let's look in the daily, see what's happening. So in the daily, so the order block is actually all the way up here, you see, more detail. So let's look at the 4 hour. Zoom out a little bit. Let's take this one. We don't need that one. So I like that area up there. So we're going, I will try to just try to get some sales. I'll try to get some buys until it goes up there, right? So if we look at it real tight right now, like if you're trying to go in that entry today, like right now, is that a fair value gap, right? Right there, you see this empty space between these two wicks, that's a fair value gap. So the market came, it tested that gap, and now it's shooting up a little bit. But most likely there's also a gap down here, you know, this,
Yeah, I see that.
yeah, I like that one. So most likely the market might come over here, take that gap out, and shoot back up. That would be a nice entry right here, like right there, real tight. So these are the entries I like because they're like at a low, you know, they're like at a low, or sometimes even like below the lows, maybe like over here, like a turtle soup. I like these entries are even better, like over here. Because what the banks like to do, they like to take those lows out. So they come, take the lows out, and then shoot back up. And
It
this,
has to be like above that red line.
it's not gonna be to the teeth. You know, this is just like me analyzing more or less. Because in reality, the market's gonna come and do something more different, right? Like in reality, it's gonna come and like ding ding comes, then it tests it, might break through it, comes back, retest, then it tests it again, and then that's when you want to go in.
When it breaks, like you lose money or you win.
You were going like right here, that would be perfect. When it breaks, it depends. If you're like if you're in a cell, you don't want to be in a cell here. You want to look for those sniper entries like this one, like that. You know, you watch it, you see the price come, it tests this whole area out, right? It tests this whole area, it comes. Then you see like a shootout, like it shoot up, right? Like that means
Yeah.
that means it broke these highs, or it broke those highs. So now you know it might be a change of trend. So now you want to wait for the price to come back to like a specific area over here, right? All you gotta have is a little bit of imagination. You know, the more you see it, the better. So like right there, that will be your sniper entry. Boom, and then it shoots up. I actually learned this from watching videos, guys. Like I didn't come up with none of this stuff, right? So if you guys go to
Okay.
if you guys go to YouTube, there's a guy
Yeah.
there's a guy in YouTube. Like I don't know if you guys seen the academy videos. They're actually really good. I went through the whole academy myself in Right
Mm-hmm.
Academy. We have educations over here. They do
Mm-hmm.
a really good job. I went through it myself this weekend. It took me like 2 days to go through everything. It's actually really simple. They are teaching the right way to trade. They have some good terms. They're teaching like liquidity. What I was just telling you about the order blocks. They're teaching you market structure, and they're quick videos. They're like 15 to 20 minutes. You know?
Yeah, that's a good thing about it, because let me tell you what, the MLs were really long.
Yeah. So I would suggest go through this, guys. Go through this stuff, right? It's very helpful. It's gonna give you a little more insight into the market. And after that, I suggest go check this out. So I would suggest to listen to Mark Douglas, Trading Psychology. No, Trading Like a Pro. Mark Douglas, Trading Like a Pro. This one right here. You guys, this one has to do with a lot of psychology, right? So I don't know if you guys want to take a screenshot of this. You guys want me
Yeah,
to
I'm
post it in
recording
the
it
chat?
actually.
All right, bet. So yeah, listen to this one. Another one, another one that I suggest you guys learn from is going to be ICT. Subscribe to his channel. This guy's been trading, I don't know, for like 30 years. He's a beast trader. He's actually the same mentor that taught the guys in our academy. You know, they learn from him. So so this guy's like the mentor of mentors, to tell the truth, guys. Like everybody learn from him. And
Oh wow.
he does like a private mentorship, but this year he decided to do like a free mentorship because he saw like what was going to happen. He actually predicted everything that's happening right now. He predicted the war. He predicted like the chaos. He predicted the corona. Like yo, that guy is
That's
like
crazy.
yeah, and like he's ahead of the game. But the reason he's doing this year, he's like yo guys, because I see hard times coming, so I want to teach you guys for free, right? So
Now that we're talking about that,
go
I'm
ahead,
sorry.
go ahead.
I've been hearing a lot uh that they're gonna do like, this is for the whole US. They're gonna do like a whole shutdown, and they were talking about to take all the money out of the banks. You think that would be
I heard
true?
about this. I heard about this. Like everything is possible, you know. Like you think about it, like humans, they're very emotional and irrational, especially
Yeah,
when it comes to like situations of chaos, like chaotic situations.
yeah,
You know, they're gonna start panicking, you know. And we've seen it happen in the past with different people, like George Soros. That guy, he saw the panic and he bought the panic, right? When everybody was selling, he became multimillionaire, you know, because he crashed a financial market and he bought everything real low, right? And you've seen that happen through history multiple of times. So the people, they create the chaos for them to get richer. You know, they are going to get richer through this chaos. That's
yeah.
a simple fact. So either you're going to be in the side of the people that are making money from the chaos, or you're going to be the one that's going to be panicking out there, right? So
Mhm.
at the end of the day, it's a personal decision, you know, like your amount of insight and knowledge you have. How do you prepare yourself for situations like that? But yeah, you always gotta keep some cash in hand. You gotta keep cash. You gotta keep like you never know. Keep some cash in hand.
That's crazy.
Yeah, keep cash in hand. You never know because they actually talk about like different theories. Like supposedly, like there's a theory that like they're gonna drop an EMP in America, and everything's gonna go night
Mhm.
night, right? Like no lights.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Uh,
So there's
my
that
mom
theory.
was telling me the
Mhm,
same thing.
mhm. But they've been saying that for years. I'm not gonna lie, they've been saying that for years since I was like,
Well, I just heard about it, to be honest. I never heard of it before,
yeah, because
especially with this
it's actually,
president that we have.
but it's been written. It's been written because that's the way they're gonna invade America. You know, like they are gonna drop an EMP and shut down America, shut down the grid. This is written. Like that's
What
like
is the NP, the one you're saying?
EMP is a tactical nuke that they explode in the outer atmosphere. So what it does, it interrupts all electricity around that area.
Oh, okay. That sucks.
So there is a possibility. Anything is possible. You know, you gotta stay prepared, and that's the reason we in this journey. You know, to get ready for situations like that. You know,
Yeah.
because we're gonna be trading, we're gonna be making money from our trades. We don't have to be in America. We could just go to like Mexico or go to like a nice place in vacations. You know, you don't have to be
Yeah.
out here living through that chaos.
Yeah.
But yeah, stay positive. You know, like people are gonna spread out of fear mongering, a lot of scare tactics, and the only reason they're doing that is just to bring your vibrations down. You know, so just keep your vibrations high. You know, like at the end of the day, God
Well,
got
let me tell you
you. Go
something.
ahead. Go
My
ahead.
mom told me the same thing with COTPS. She kept telling me, literally, it was a week ago, take your money out, take your money
Yeah.
out. And I was like, it's gonna be fine, mom. Y mira, boom.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh
I
no,
have people
all I
tell
was
me.
thinking, all
Mhm.
I was thinking is like, why didn't listen to my mom?
Mhm. Yeah.
And
It is what it is.
y lo mismo ahora with this that they were saying, she was like, man, you better be careful because that could happen anytime.
Regarding the financial markets, for sure.
Mm.
So keep game. Like, so the reason we like US 30 so much. So I know you guys made Johnny, right?
Yeah, by him. I was talking to him last night. He was the one that told me, he was like, you don't know what's going on with TOTPS? I'm like, no. Yeah, he
Yeah, he
told
keeps
me,
telling me
man.
about it.
He was like, you need to check it out. And I was like, let me get into the page, and boom, everything was shut down. I had that message saying that the hackers, whatever. I believe it was the own CEO, but I don't know who
For
the hell that
sure.
is.
For sure. That's the procedure. Like we've been involved in all these companies already, and that's how usually how they do it. They'll blame it on something and then something leads to something and you
Like,
never see
there's
your
no
money.
way to sue them.
It's cryptocurrency, you know, that's just untraceable type shit.
Well, you could report them to the FBI, but it's going to take a couple years for an investigation to even come way. And then how would they know where to even give all the money back to? You know what I'm
Ugh,
saying? They won't even know where to give it to. It's gone.
that, that really sucks.
Yeah. What's up, Mikey?
What's good, Steve?
Hold on. My bed, my girl's in the bed. I'm going to migrate to the living room. I'll be right back.
So peep game, like you lost X amount of dollars, right? But don't even sweat it because through the financial markets we're gonna get our bread back. Trust the
Oh,
process. So you want me to talk to you about these prop firms real quick?
yeah.
I got you.
I want to learn everything.
But you understand more or less a little bit of what we spoke about already?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah,
cool,
yeah, I do. I do.
cool. All right, so
Oh, I remember that page.
this is where I have where I sat where I did my thing, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let's log in real quick. What's my password?
Yeah, Luz was telling me about this challenge, but I was like, I was not even understanding.
Hmm. I thought I had it saved. It's not that complicated. Once you pack down the risk management, you'll be fine. All right, so we're gonna look at basically like the targets and stuff, right? So
Yeah.
I have tried this multiple times. I'm not gonna lie. I tried this multiple times. So it was a crazy day. As you could see, I was almost at break even, and
Yeah.
then I got in profit somehow. Thank God. So basically, there's your target for the phase two, right? So you got multiple phases. Let's see, we could look at like they break it down a little better. Evaluation right here. This is what you want. This is the one you guys want to do. You want to do the evaluation. All right. So they're going to end up splitting up to 85%, right? They're going to keep 25% of the money.
Okay.
It's two phases. And it's a generous drawdown limit. So this is why I like them because it's a little easier than FTMO and it's cheaper too. Yeah. All right. So these are the rules. Daily drawdown, you can only lose 5% a day. So what does that mean? Like losing, what is that? Yo, all right. So daily drawdown 5%, which means for me, I could only lose $500 a day max, right? If you lose $500,
Okay.
you lose $500 a day or max, you lose your money and you lose the challenge.
Also, drawdown means like when you lose.
Like if you're holding a trade, not when you lose, you like if you were holding a trade, let's say you dropped a trade and you're now negative 501, you lost the challenge.
Oh, that sucks.
No, but I'm gonna teach you. This is actually good. This is actually really good, guys, because in a way, they're actually
Mm.
training you. They're training you to be a good trader. You know,
Okay.
they're teaching you not to risk a lot and like have control of this is all risk
Of your
management.
emotions,
Yeah, this is
pretty
all
much.
yeah. This is good. This is good. This is good stuff. So overall, let's say you could only lose 12%, right? If you lose 1,200 in a 10K, you lose the challenge, right? Your goal is to make 8%. So 800 bucks on the 10K.
Okay.
Then that will be your phase one. Then you go to phase two. Once you do this, you go to phase two. Phase two, oh, actually, and they give you 30 days. Yeah, they give you 30 days, right? To do this within 30 days. So 8%, 30 days. Phase two is gonna be 5%. So $500, and they actually give you 60 days. They even give you more time. And a lot of people fail phase two because they want to do it so fast that they start over leveraging and they blow the account, right?
Yeah.
And you gotta have 5 days minimum trading, right? If you pass it in 5 days or more, you're good. No trading restrictions. So that's basically it. And the price, let's look at the prices. So
But with how much you have to start with.
this is it. This is how you're gonna start. So basically, you're gonna pay $84 to try out for the 10,000, right? To try out for the 20,000, you're gonna pay 139. To try out for the 50,000, you're gonna pay $300. To try out for the 100,000, you're gonna pay $500. And to try out for the 200,000, you're gonna pay 979, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what does this mean? That means you're actually risking this money because if you don't pass the challenge, you're gonna lose this bread. But if you do pass the challenge, they actually refund you this money, right?
Right, they fund you the 100 or 50, 20, 10.
Yeah, yeah, they'll refund you the 979, the 500. They'll refund you this if you pass it.
No, but what I'm saying, if you pass it, do you get the 10K or 20 or
Yeah,
50?
yeah, you're gonna have an account of $10,000 with real money.
Oh God.
Now, what did you say they take, Mike? They take 25%?
Okay, so good question. Let's talk about the split right here. This is how it works. So you are paid 75% of your split after the first month. In the second month, they're gonna give you 80. And in the third month, they're gonna give you 85%. So they take less as you progress with them. First month they take 25, right? Is that, yeah, it'll be 25.
Mm-hmm.
Second month they'll take 20, and the third month they'll take 15. It's a pretty good deal.
And then does it stay at the 15 after that
Yeah,
every month?
yeah. Then you stay at 15 and you get paid.
Okay. Damn,
Yeah,
that's not bad. You get to keep 85%.
it's a good deal.
That's good.
Yeah, because I think FTMO is 70/30, isn't it?
I think FTMO nowadays is 10%, but
Oh,
they're
okay.
doing it the same style. Like based on the month of stuff that you spend time with them, they give you like they go all the way to like 10%.
Okay.
But FTMO is a little more expensive. Like if you look at their prices and their drawdown limits in FTMO, here it's 1%, it's 10% instead of 12. Here is 1%, it's 10% instead of 8. So they have this one's a little linear, it's a little easier and cheaper.
Hey, yo, my apologies for leaving for a few months, man.
So I understand you were busy.
Yeah, just doing my thing, and then got all involved with COTPS, and we all
We
know
all
how
did.
that worked out.
We thought we were gonna make it with it.
Yeah, but it's all good though. There's plenty of opportunities out there, man.
So we all did the math. We saw ourselves as trillionaires by the end of the year.
It really sucked.
Yeah,
I know we were looking
I think
forward
that's
to
what hurts the most, right? The expectations you have with it.
yeah, the plans that we had for the future, you know. But
Mhm.
that's all right
Oh,
though, because there's other stuff out there. Like Novatech, yeah, it's nowhere near the percentage, you know, but they're making like almost 2% weekly. So
I heard good things about Novotech,
yeah,
but personally,
Novatech,
I'm not getting involved in no more of those things.
yeah,
you're
I'm not
not at
even
all.
either trying to get
Mhm.
into no bot company
I'm
no
gonna
more.
focus. I'm gonna focus on just main goal. It was to trade forex and
Just
become a forex
trading.
trader. That was
Yeah.
the main objective. I ended up deviating because it sounded good, bro. It sounded really good. It
Yeah,
sounded
it did
really
sound
good.
nice.
Like it sounded good, and yeah, bro, the grief factor kicked in. But thanks to that, bro, thanks to that L, now we're here, bro.
Now we're coming back. Yeah, that's true.
Stronger than ever, bro. Stronger than
That's
ever,
true.
bro.
That's how it goes sometimes. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
Think the grass is greener, so take a step back and you're like, damn, I could have been focused on trading and watching ICT and all that shit this whole time, but instead I've just been watching this account grow and watching, COTPS grow, and then now all of a sudden it's gone. It's like,
It's
damn.
gone.
You know what I want to talk
Oh
to you
Lord.
about, guys, too? I want to talk to you about something else regarding the signals.
Oh yeah.
I got you guys in the call.
Hmm.
Something that's really important regarding the signals.
Yeah, because I was having some issues with my MetaTrader 4.
No, there's something important regarding the signals. Regarding your MetaTrader 4, you probably just got to change your broker.
Oh, you think so?
Mm-hmm.
Because the first day when I did it with Lewis, everything was fine. Like I was putting the signals in and everything was fine, but I don't know what happened. Like
So
it just doesn't let me close and put them like it doesn't let me do a trade at all.
I think it's, yeah, you gotta do it. Just let's do it right now. Go to your
Who's your broker?
go to your MetaTrader.
Okay.
Let me know what you're in there.
Okay, I'm in.
All right, so go to the where it says manage accounts.
Manage accounts.
In the three bars, top left.
And 3 bars. Do
Yeah.
I like um do I have to go like settings or something? Oh God, I don't see.
Hold on, I got you. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share my screen from my phone.
Okay.
My dog G-Dub. No, it's good to have you back, bro. Miss you, bro.
Yeah, it's been a long time, isn't it? It felt like a long time. What was it, like 2 months?
Oh, we were grinding though. It's not like we were wasting time and shit.
Yeah, no. I mean, I was just kind of focused on that bot shit though, man. I should have stayed focused on trading too. And I don't know.
Who's that? That's Steven?
Yeah, what's up, Lewis?
What's good, brother?
How you doing?
Good, man. Good trading, man. Learning the skill set, my man.
Hell yeah.
Let's get it,
You were
bro.
the same
Yes, sir.
thing, just focusing on that damn bot, thinking that everything was gonna
I
be
think a
fine.
lot of people did. I think a lot of
Yes,
people did.
I was on the same thing.
We just
Yeah.
seen gems, you know what I mean? We seen gems in our eyes and we was all fixated on that shit instead of being like,
I was literally
Yeah.
about to withdraw money until I see what was going on.
I think the trick of them is to withdraw regularly out of them while you're in them. You know what I mean? Deposit, let it build a little bit, and just continuously withdraw. Because that's really how much you got, not what it says on the account, how much you got out of it. Because it ain't
Yeah,
real until it's in your account, like your bank account.
I know.
I was wanting to buy real estate and Airbnbs and everything.
Same, bro.
Like, yeah, we already had our plans out.
Yeah,
That's okay. Keep the plans, just pivot. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. That's why we're
Yeah.
back to trading. You know what I mean? Keep the plans that you got. Just we're gonna do it a different way.
Just
I'm
to
gonna
have
go-
hope. That's it.
So here's how you're gonna create a new account. You're gonna go to MetaTrader. You're gonna click on the top left.
Okay.
You see where it says manage
Oh,
account?
but you're on the is that on the phone?
Yeah, on the phone. Oh, you're trying to log in through your
I'm on an iPhone. It doesn't. I don't have no 3 dots at the top.
Oh, who got an iPhone here? Where's the Louis? You know where the thing is at in the iPhone?
I think I
What
gotta
are you?
click
What
that
are you?
plus sign.
We're
What
trying
are
to
you
go
guys
to
looking
manage-
for?
We're trying to go to manage accounts on the
To
iPhone.
manage accounts?
On the iPhone, I think
It
it's
says
settings on the
it says
bottom
new
right.
account.
Is it new account then? Try new
Yeah.
account. Tell me what it says.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then it says open a demo account, log into an
Yeah.
existing account.
Yep.
That's perfect. So you're trying to do
Okay.
like a little demo account, right?
Yeah, I had one.
All right, but let's make a new one so you could like start trading. So you're telling me you got issues with your account right now, right?
Yeah, with that
So
demo.
let's do open and do it with like a broker here. Do it with Ugo's way, like for studying purposes.
Mikey, send her your FX way link, bro. She's a good FX way.
Ugo's way.
Oh, she's ready to set up a broker, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, I just found Ugo's way.
Yeah, do it with Ugo's. Then you do your leverage like 1 to 500, right?
Okay, I got one 500.
And if you want to make it like, I don't know, like you want to do it with like a $5 million one or a $3,000 one, it's up to you.
3. Okay, I think I have it on the 100,000.
Do it with like, yeah, 100,000. Since we're gonna try to get that FTMO challenge, it's good for you to practice on that one.
Okay. And that's it. Okay, let me register it.
100,000 and you create.
Yeah.
Now you
Okay.
should take a trade.
Okay, yeah. But now every time they send the signals
Good question.
and
I got you.
I look for that one. For example, let's say Euro USD, and I try to trade it, and then I know I go to market execution. So I should do like buy or sell, right?
Right, because look, peep game. So right here, it's telling us, let's look at some signals, right? Let's look at this one that came in.
Okay.
XAU USD. It says type of signal is a sell limit. It gives you the entry price. It gives you the stop loss. It gives you how many stop loss, how many pips, which is super important, the minus 48. It gives you take
Okay.
profit 1, 2, and 3. So what you want to do, as soon as you see this, go to your lot size calculator of the rig, right? So remember this, remember the stop loss. What was the stop loss? I already forgot. It was 48. So we're gonna remember that 48 lot size calculator. So stop loss 48.
Okay.
Let's say you're trying to do the $100,000 challenge, right? 100K, right?
Uh-huh.
So the rule is to risk 1% max, right? So you're gonna put 1%. Then you calculate. So now we go to between 40 and 50, right? How much was it? Stop loss? 48?
48.
All right, so
So it's pretty much close to 50.
all right, so 50, so it's telling us to drop
2%.
two standards per lot, right?
Okay.
But what I want you to do is to draw a quarter of this or even a 0.5%, right? Like half of this. So I want you to drop one standard or even half a standard, right? Because we're gonna do 0.5%, right? 0.5%. So let's do a quick trade real quick. So let's do this trade, for example, right? You understood that part though?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys understood it? Understood the risk management part? How to like calculate it?
Yeah.
Everybody understood that. All right, cool. All right, so now let's put this trade. So you also remember this part right here. It tells you active valid, active invalid, active valid, close one. Look at that too, because sometimes the trades, they're still active even after like a couple of hours. Because look, this trade will send out at 11:42 and it says that it's active. This one says that it's active invalid. It means that it's running either in profit or it's still close to entry, or maybe it's in stop loss, who knows, right? But active invalid means that it's still available to try. Active valid, this buy limit is still good. That means you could still jump on USD CAD. Close one, and this one close out. All right.
Do you want to jump in on that, the US CAD? Like,
You could still jump on
just
USD
as like
CAD.
an example, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we could still use this one. All right, so let's do this one. So this one
Okay.
says stop loss, 18 pips. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my calculator. I'm gonna put 18. I have a $10,000 account. I wanna risk, here you cannot do 0.5%, so you gotta do the own math. So 18 is almost at 20, so 0.5. So I actually wanna do half of that. So I'm gonna do like 0.25 on this trade. So I'm gonna go
Oh,
to,
so that's what you have to put. Okay.
I'm gonna do 0.25 on this trade, yeah, half of that. So I'm gonna go to trade ideas. I'm gonna go back to USD CAD. All right, so now I got everything here that I need. I go to my MetaTrader. Remember it was a buy limit, right? So
Yeah.
let's go back. All right, bet. All right, we're here. So we're gonna go to USD CAD. USD CAD open chart. So we look at it real quick, analyze it, because after it's a buy limit, I already got it there. As you guys can see it, I already put it in, but we're gonna do it again just for studying purposes. So I look at the trade, go up here. Now I know we're gonna do 0.25 per pip, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put the stop loss, copy and paste that. So it is a little more than just copy and paste, right? You gotta do a little bit of math. I'm gonna put the last TP because sometimes it goes for the last TP, but usually I start taking partials of TP1.
But you see, that's what happens to me. I copy them, and ever when I paste them, like the numbers change. So I have to put them in manually.
Let's you want to share your screen and try to do this trade? Let's look at it.
Okay. Okay.
I'll give you host.
Just let me know.
I got you in 2 seconds. Linda, make host. All right, you host.
Okay. Let me see. Mm,
You just gotta click on the green arrow that says share.
okay. It says, yeah, share. I put screen. Start broadcast. Okay, it is. Yeah, let me know if it's recording.
Yeah, we see you.
Okay. So I'm right here,
All right.
right?
Mhm.
And we were doing the USD CAD, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So put trade. That was a buy one, buy limit.
It's gonna be a buy limit, yeah.
Okay. And I know here was 25. So what I do is
It's not letting you paste and copy, huh?
no, I could copy it, but when I paste them, it literally like it changes.
Hmm.
So here, do I go to trade ideas?
Good ideas, yeah.
Okay. Okay, I see. Oh, here it is.
iPhone looks
So
prettier though, I'm not gonna lie. It looks nicer.
it looks nicer.
And the iPhone, the app looks nicer. It's more, it has more colors.
Oh yeah, I'm used to iPhone. So okay, on the entry, I copy it, and I go back. Where it says price, that's the entry, right?
Correct.
So look, I pasted, but I don't think it's the same. You see, 1.27
What the fuck?
is what I'm saying. Is what I'm saying. It's not the
Yeah,
same numbers.
I had never seen that.
Yeah, that's what I kept telling Louis, and they were like,
That's weird.
"No, you're doing it
It's like
wrong."
a
I'm like,
bug. There's like a bug on the app.
I don't know why. I really don't know why. So I'm gonna copy now the stop loss.
Maybe try to reinstall the app or something or update it. That's weird.
Look, it says 1.28058, and here's 1.27
You know, it's the
193.
same number. It keeps pasting the same number.
What number though? Because that's
The
I don't
point
see that
28.
number
No, that
on the
point
app.
28. That point 28 happened again. Let me see you do it again. Do it
It
in,
says
just paste it and take profit. See what happens. Paste and take profit.
like I don't change it.
Yeah,
I
just
leave it like that,
yeah, just copy and
and
paste.
I'll take
Profit.
profits.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Is it gonna be the same number again? Yeah, it keeps giving you that 1.28058.
I don't know why. I really don't know why. Is it because the charts are moving?
No, that feels unusual. Louis, where's the tech guy? Where's Louis at?
He's sleeping.
Louis passed out. He's like, yo, I'm up. Nah, it's
Oh,
really
I
weird.
think it has something to do with current price. If you look at where
so?
the current price is right
No,
now.
no, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh yeah, that is. Look, like she's trying to paste and copy the signals,
Yeah.
but he keeps putting her
That's
current
what I
price.
kept telling Louis, but he was like, "Nah, you're crazy. It's not. You're doing it wrong."
Linda, do me a favor.
She's doing it right. We just saw her do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, do me a favor, Linda. Where it says stop loss, delete that number, delete that whole number. Delete
Okay.
it all.
Yeah.
Then go back to the app copy the stop loss. And then you're
Okay,
gonna paste it now. Now paste it.
Oh shit.
Come on, guys. Come on.
But yeah, but every time the
Come
first
on.
time, yeah, I know that happens, but the first time that I copy them, it just does that.
I got you, Linda. I got you, girl.
Let's try to do
Okay.
the next one.
Now let's do the take
Mhm.
profit. Copy the take profit. You're gonna delete the take profit, delete it all, and then you're gonna paste it. Bam.
Oh
Bam.
man.
Let's go.
So
Let's
the
go.
trick is to delete everything.
Yeah, the trick is to delete it all. There you go, Linda. You got it. You got it.
Bet. Thank you, Linda.
Yeah, yeah,
you,
but
Linda.
I was okay. So
go.
I did that last time also by
Let's go.
myself, and it was not letting me place the trade at all.
That's so weird, yeah. I had never seen
Yeah,
that before. But I'm glad
Yeah,
it
you
worked
just got
out.
it.
and I was like, I know I'm not crazy. I know I'm not crazy.
Do the buy limit for
Let's do another one.
yeah,
Let's do another one.
you put another trade. Put another trade.
Let's do
Okay,
another one. Let's do another one.
Yeah, we should do trainings like this all the time, bro.
like okay, so
Facts.
this
Hey,
one
hey,
I don't even
Hey,
think
Louis,
I
can you
have it
check
on that.
your messenger real quick?
I was trying to do this earlier, but I
I'm on
don't
it,
know.
Tongi.
Sorry, USD.
Hey, Mikey, what is your schedule for Zooms? You just doing 2 a.m.s or?
No, but this one was a spontaneous. It was already spontaneous.
Okay.
This one wasn't really planned, but if you guys want to start doing Zoom calls at night, I don't mind. Like we could
Well,
do.
it's hard. It's hard for me to catch them at 2 because I'm usually sleeping. I'm dealing with like a knee issue right now, so I'm not at work. So I'm kind of my sleep schedule's off. And I saw that you posted a Zoom, so that's why I hopped on. But I've had to skip out on quite a few of them because they were so late, bro.
I'm down to do Zooms whenever you guys want me to do a Zoom. Me personally.
Okay, I'm lost here.
All right, what are we doing?
I was trying to
XAU.
do this
All
one.
right, I got you. Let's do XAU. All right, let's
I can't
go.
find that one here.
Let's go up
You
top.
have to add it.
Let's go to
Yeah.
metals.
Which one?
Metal.
Metals.
Yeah,
Okay.
XAU is gold.
Ah, there it is.
XAU USD. Boom. You should add silver where you add it to. XAG. Add XAG too. You're gonna need that one.
Okay, let me see. Let me go back.
They always do trades.
Which one?
XAG, that's silver.
Oh, they trade silver on Real
Yeah.
Rise?
Yeah. With
Okay.
XAG, what I do suggest is risk very little. I was playing with it yesterday because they did a signal and I dropped a standard by mistake.
Oh my gosh.
And I was shedding
Oh.
bricks. I was shedding bricks, all right?
Oh, I bet you were, because dude, that shit's crazy. Silver's crazy.
I'm glad it went my way. You know,
Sheesh.
I closed it out like as soon as I saw it going profit, I closed it out. But yeah, silver don't play, guys. Be careful with that one.
Silver and gold.
Yeah, they don't play. I'm more of a friend with US 30. US 30, we have a better relationship. Let's add US 30. Let's add US 30. You're gonna need that one too.
Okay, so hold on, let me go back. I'll go back to metals again.
No, that one is that one's something else. That one's is indices.
Okay.
Indices, so US 30 are gonna be the top 30 stocks of the United States. You need that one.
Oh, here it
And
is.
you also gonna need NAS 100. NAS 100 is gonna be the top 100 technological stocks. You don't need none of those. Those are whatever.
So that's good.
That's all you need from there. Yeah. All right, cool. So you got your
You're
thing
awesome, man.
ready, your XAU. So
Okay.
let's try to put that trade. Let's do the XAU. Let's see how that works.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see.
So
Okay, I'm gonna copy it.
it's a sell limit.
It's a sell limit. Okay, let's see. And I know it said it was 48. So where do you go back again to
Hey,
do
she
the
thought of it. She thought of it, bro. I be telling her, bro, that's amazing. Okay, lot size.
I didn't forget about that, but
Lot size
oh, here it
calculator.
is, lot size. Oh no, never mind.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even have to remind you.
Oh, where do I go?
Now you good right there. Just click on it.
On the lot size
Yeah,
calculator?
yeah, that's perfect.
Oh,
Right.
it just looks different on mine. Okay.
And you on an iPhone. You got that iPhone game. It looks pretty. Mine don't look pretty like that.
I was like, it looks different.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
definitely.
So I see it said 48 also.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I think it did.
Yeah. It was a 48.
Okay. And I don't know what to put a
That's
account down,
you will put the total balance of your account.
which is 100,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And on the risk percent,
One, always one. That's your max.
I don't know. It says type currency pair.
Indices. I guess so.
40. Oh, here it is. Like, oh shoot.
0.5.
It says two and a
It
half.
should be metals instead of indices.
Does she got access to the, go back one time?
Oh.
Sorry. Try to see if you got metals where it says type.
No, it says currency pair, and this is only.
Hmm.
All right, it's all good. Don't matter.
Do I leave this one or change it?
Let's do indices. Indices moves more like gold.
My fault.
Okay.
You good, G?
Okay.
So
So
remember,
on this
we're
one,
gonna do half. We're gonna do half of this.
that's 2.5 and 2,
So it's half of
like
2.5,
2.75.
like a 175, yeah, more or less. That's to do like 0.5%. If you want to do 1/4%.
Because it was 48. It was close to 50.
All right,
But
so 2. So we'll do like 1. If that's half, if you want to do 1/4, it will be 0.5.
0.5.
0.5 is like the best risk. It won't give you much reward, but you're risking less, right? If you want to risk a little more, like a 50%, you know, if you want to go a little heavier, 1%, right? But I totally suggest risking between 25% and 50. I mean, like 0.25%, 0.25% and 0.50%.
Okay.
Amazing. You're a great student.
You're teaching me very well. That's what it is.
Learn quick.
Because I tell you what, I was not getting this with nobody. I literally used to pay all these people that supposedly they were going to teach me. No, they
And
only
then
kept
take the
sending me
time.
videos.
Yeah, I feel you though. The thing is that I enjoy doing this. You know, there's some people that they're not up to this.
Hey, Mike, you
Exactly.
know all about that. It's hard out there, isn't it? To find a good mentor, because when you first start, you don't know where you're going, and you just
Exactly. You're just trying to look for somebody that it is willing
and
to
there's a
teach.
lot of people out there that's not they claim to teach, but they ain't teaching.
Yep.
And Mikey does teach, like for
We've
real.
been
We
That's what
used
through
to
it.
get
We've
on
been
Zooms
through it,
for
right?
hours.
We've been through it, bro. We like what you were saying. I could relate. Like we had whack ass mentors.
Yeah,
So I don't want people that are like with me experiencing what I went through.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you progress. You get people farther along. You don't try to trip them up. You do
Yep.
them right. Do right by them.
So on this one, I remember, okay. So it was between 2 and 2.5
Right. So
because it
we're
was
more to like
48.
we lean more towards the 2. So we're gonna do half of half. So remember 2 is $20, right? Lots $20. So we want to do either $10 or $5 max.
Okay, so what would I put here? A 1 point something?
Let's do 1. Since it's a demo account, let's do half a percent. So let's do 1.0.
Oh, okay. 1.0.
So that will be 10. Remember, like 0.1 is 10 cents, 0.1 is $1, 1.0 is $10.
Okay.
That's basically it. Yo, you got it. You got it.
I I didn't understand this back in the day. Because I was with IML back in 2018, and I remember they also supposedly used to do these live tradings, but them signals, I don't know. I think this with Realize is way easier to understand everything for beginners.
Real IML is funny, yo. I'm grateful for IML because they were like the doorway. I actually still follow some guys from IML. I think they're cool.
Yeah, I do too, but I don't know. The mentors, my app line and stuff like that. I feel like they were only hyped when they got me under them, and that's about it.
Are they still trading your uplines or no?
I don't know.
They
I
probably
don't. I don't
probably
talk.
gave up. They probably gave up.
To be honest with you, I don't even know what happened to them. Oh, it's not
Can
letting me.
can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, because I was having the same issues when I copy and try to paste it. Won't paste it. Just punch it in.
That iPhone. Hey, Louis, how come people can't paste, bro? What's up?
I know it's not letting me.
Louis,
Okay, so I'm copying it
I'm
again.
here. I'm here.
wake his ass up.
I'm here. No, I'm here. I was
Yo.
forgive me, guys. I'm literally on the call and talking to people at the same time.
Oh,
my
my
bad.
bad, bro. My bad. Oh, you had the same issue again, bro.
Yeah, look, it's not letting me paste. That's what I was talking about.
Linda, click on the bottom where it says today. Click on today.
Yeah,
Just click on it.
yeah, I just did.
Okay, first get out of there. Go back.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't even know there was a tap for that. What is that?
Yeah.
Look,
there you
it's
go.
not.
There you go.
I
there
have
you
to
go,
put
there
it manually. Look,
Oh,
Okay, there you go. Now delete it, and paste it.
I am doing that. It's not letting me. Look, it's not letting me.
Okay, go back.
No,
Go
I'm
back
having
for
the
me.
same issue.
You having the same issue, Tongi?
I think we gotta
Yeah.
we gotta
And
find
it's
like
exactly only with this one.
with iPhones.
Without USD, it's not letting me at all.
It's
So-
only for XAU for you guys, right? For XAU.
Right, say you.
Yeah.
Okay, Linda, do me a favor. Go back for me on the whole page. Go back. Okay. Now go to XAU. Look for the XAU trade. Go to the quotes. Go to XAU. Go to trade. Okay, so now it's a sell limit, right? Mike,
Yeah,
it's a sell limit, right?
Yeah, sell limit.
Okay, now go ahead and copy the entry, Linda. Copy the entry. Okay, go to the trade, go to price,
Mm-hmm.
click on price where it says not set, delete that, and paste it. Let me see what works.
Huh?
Nope. Nope, not
No,
letting
it
me.
doesn't work. It doesn't work. Yeah. So
Do I have to put it manually?
you'll have to put it manually. Yeah. That's okay. So family, for some of y'all that the pasting doesn't work, from what I heard from like God's currency, like some of the leaders, is that there are still some glitches in the app that they're working on. There's still a couple of glitches that they're working on. So for the trades that don't let you put them in copy and pasting, you're gonna have to put them in manually. That's what I heard.
Yeah,
It's
because
not for every trade, it's for certain ones.
that's crazy.
Yeah. Remember, it's still a brand new company, so there's still a little bit of glitches. So there's still a couple of glitches that they're working on. Yeah.
So let me see again. 1844. No. Okay. And look, you see, it's not letting me place.
It doesn't let you
This,
place
this
it.
is it's
Well, it's not letting me place it either because I think that the trade's invalid.
The
I
trade
think
probably already
passed
happened,
that.
right?
Yeah, I think
The
so.
trade happened already.
no, but no, because this morning, literally when I just had this signal, I got on it and it was doing the same
Well, it says
thing. It wasn't
it
letting
says
me
that the
place
sell
it.
limit starts at 1849.87. So if you go to your
Yeah.
chart, your gold chart,
Yeah.
and open up the chart and see where price is. If it's, what is it, 1849?
0.87. I really
Yeah.
don't know.
The thing is that I think the trade already way past the entry. I'm not sure.
Yes, it is. It is. It is. It is past the entry. It's
It is,
actually-
right, Mikey?
It seems like it's about to hit stop loss. Where stop loss?
Yeah, it looks like it is.
It's
Exactly.
almost
But it's
stop
weird
loss.
because I got on it this morning when I received the signal and it wasn't letting me place anything.
Yeah, it seems like it's about to hit stop loss. Yo, how come I'm deep in profit though?
So do I exit out of this one? I don't know.
Yo, dude, like I'm deep in profit.
With
If
this
you-
one?
You're in profit,
Yeah.
Mikey?
I'm in profit on this one. XAU sell. Yeah, I'm deep in profit.
Oh, damn.
I guess it's only working on Android?
Was it manual?
Yeah,
Go
I
ahead, I'm
executed it.
Oh,
Did you manually put
executed.
that in?
Like I saw
Oh.
the trade idea. I saw the trade idea. To tell the truth, exactly what I did was that I saw the trade idea, and I saw that it hit stop loss, and I just got on the high. I got on the high of that buy.
Is it still at a good entry, Maggie, to take it for them or no?
I sent a screenshot. It's not. Nah, I wouldn't take it.
You wouldn't take it right now?
I'm already like 150 pips in profit.
Oh no, hell no. Yeah, don't take that trade. Yeah.
On the signals on real rods, are there timestamps like of when the signals are released? Like, will you go back to the real rods real quick?
Yeah,
And go to the
it tells you
signals.
the time. It tells you the time.
Where-
It tells you the exact time.
Okay. 10:42 a.m.
Yeah, that was this morning.
Is that EST or
Let me
you
see.
know if it's
Oh,
doesn't
I
say?
don't say. Yeah, I don't say.
Oh, that's PM. That's PM. That wasn't this morning. It was PM.
Oh,
Yes.
it was tonight.
No, but
G-Dub,
I saw it this morning though.
it was probably another trade that you saw this morning, Linda. It was
With the
probably
same
another
one? Oh, okay.
It was probably another one.
I think it was this one. No.
So, Steven, it's Eastern time, brother. It's Eastern.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's Eastern.
Okay, thank you, brother.
You're welcome. See, Linda, that's the one that you saw, 2:10 a.m. That's the one that you saw.
No, that's the morning. I mean, I'm talking about in the morning.
Oh yeah, it definitely was that one. That was put out at PM. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, guys, Steven, you can see the times right there under on top where it says the trade. It'll always tell you the times, and it'll tell you whether it's AM or PM once you click on it.
Okay.
Wait, on this one?
And it's Eastern. Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, where it says expiration?
What are we looking for?
Yeah. What happened, Mikey?
What are you looking for?
The time.
Oh,
Yeah. But I guess I can't trade on this one no more, right?
no, it's
No, it's gone.
Yeah, it's already way out in profit, and it's not worth it.
Okay.
You're gonna get in way too late.
Yeah.
Tongi, were you?
Go ahead.
No. Go, Steven.
I
Go.
was going to tell her real quick, if it's a sell limit, then it got to a certain point in price and then activated, right?
Yep.
So if it already went to that point, then that signal won't even work no more. So then you'd have to market execute, and that's risky if you're not in a good area of where price is going to go to.
Facts.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I mean, I'm still getting there because sometimes I be getting them signals, but I don't know if it's gonna be a win or a lose.
Gotta risk it. Gotta risk it for the biscuit.
as long as you're using proper risk management, what we explained to you, you could. That's how you're gonna learn. You gotta take trades on your own too. Like, don't depend just in the on the application, you know, don't depend on us. Like try to like take trades of your own with good risk management. As long as you're using good risk management, let's say you lose 5 trades in a row, there's gonna be that one trade that comes and puts you back in profit, you know, as long as you were using good risk management.
But please at first use a demo. If you
Yeah,
when
I'm
you start
keep
placing your own trades.
yes, because I
Just
don't
to,
want to keep losing money. I already lost a
yeah,
lot of TPS and
trust
smart
me, I
swaps.
already know. Yeah, I agree. I'm tired
I
of losing
know.
money.
Yeah,
So
I can't. And literally, we literally all lost money, and rent is due literally like in days.
That's
That's crazy, bro. Oh my god.
it's grind time.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Do you got a car?
Huh?
Do you have a vehicle that you can drive?
Yeah, I have my car.
Are you signed up for like where you live? Do you live in a decent sized city or close to one?
I live here in Houston,
Okay,
Houston,
so
Texas.
DoorDash, Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, Amazon Flex. You know what I'm saying? Just sign up for all that
Yeah,
shit.
I have the maps to work, but I have to take my car, so they need to fix something.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, so it's just, ugh. And I also got my little baby, so it's just it gets
Different
worse.
scenario, yeah. Yeah, it's tough. If you're a mom, for sure, it's tough.
Yeah. Oh Lord, I just,
You'll be all
man,
right.
I
You
don't
got to stay positive. It'll work out. It always does. You don't know how. You don't know how it's gonna work out. You just know it's going to.
have to have faith.
For sure.
Nice. Nice.
You need to tell. You need to put them on game about Mike. You need to put them on game about Trudeau.
Oh, what? Oh, I'm glad you brought that up. We're trying to do some personal development too in this call.
Yeah.
Right?
Let's go. Let's
Sounds good,
go.
right? So there's actually a YouTube video I highly
Okay.
suggest. It's called, I don't know, you probably heard of it. Your wish,
Your wish?
your command.
Yeah, that video is awesome.
It is great,
So
isn't it?
it's 14 videos. It's 14
Kevin
videos.
Trudeau. Yes, sir.
They keep deleting this too, by the way. Like they
Yeah,
keep
bro.
people keep
What's up
putting
with
it up.
people deleting crap? Oh
It's the
my
government.
god.
The government is doing this. The government deleting this shit
Yeah,
because
they put him in jail. Like
yeah,
they put him.
yeah,
This is
Yeah,
the
it's not
this is the
convenient for
sauce
them.
for real.
tell it, bro.
This is the sauce for real. Like this is the good stuff. That's why they keep taking it off.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know about this video.
Go through this. Go through this. He actually giving out Masonic knowledge type shit, you know, from the Brotherhood.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
He doesn't go too into detail, you know, but he's pretty thorough.
And it's gonna teach you how to think. So basically,
Yeah.
a little rundown, like a little summary. You know how in Aladdin, you got the lamp that you rub it, right? And then you get wishes. You know what I'm talking about?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Right? So so basically you're the Aladdin is you. You're the genie. You're the genie. Your brain is your genie, right? Your brain. So you could ask for whatever you want and you will receive it. But you just gotta wish for it.
But you gotta wish for it not in fear but in love, as if you already have it. And like you can't be afraid and you can't be scared because that lowers your vibration. That's why they put all this stuff on the news and all this and that to keep people stuck in a
You
lower
see, that's
state
why I don't watch
that you
news.
can't manifest. Yeah, don't watch that junk. It's crap. Just
I've
be
been not
happy now.
watching news at all.
Be happy now and know that it's all going to work out for you and your benefit. Like this COTP thing, right?
Oh,
What would have happened? You probably would have passed up on trading, me too, if that, you know, because we were so focused on that. But because it failed, nah, you know
yeah.
what I'm saying? It all is for your benefit. We just don't understand what God's doing sometimes.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. I imagine the people that invested like some properties and stuff.
Yeah, Mikey's putting you on game on that. On Your Wish Is Your Command. That's really, really good stuff.
Yeah, I'm about to watch it whenever the end calls, cause it's the first time I hear about this.
Yeah, I like turtle soup. I like turtle soups on US
The
30.
government always wants to take everything away and not show what it really is happening.
They
But
want a slave race. They want a
people
slave
are
race.
waking up though.
You woke. You sound like you woke too.
Oh, trust me. Like days ago, I was watching that what's it called movie, Eyes Wide Shut. I think it's Tom Cruise,
Uh-huh.
and they were literally speaking about the elites.
The elites,
Yeah,
like the Rockefellers
and
and
the
shit.
producer that made that movie got killed. He
Oh,
got killed by making that movie. He was literally showing how it works.
that's serious. I haven't watched this one. I gotta watch it.
Yeah, you gotta watch it. Uh, they don't have it on Netflix. I had to buy it on YouTube for $2.99.
They got it in
I mean, I
YouTube.
didn't buy it. I only rented, but I mean, I think it was cheap, but I had to watch it like twice to understand it. It really like has a lot of symbols and stuff.
A lot of symbolism.
Yeah, it's pretty good movie.
I think Mikey's in the Illuminati. Look, he's drawing triangles right now.
Hey, Mikey. So, how often y'all do these Zooms?
And we could do them as often as you guys want.
Okay, because
Oh,
I got some signups that are noobs, and I'm one of them too. But that'd be dope to have them on here as well.
No, for sure, for sure. We should have this training for everybody. We should actually have everybody in the team take a signal while we're watching. You know, like have them put like what we did with her. Like have everybody
yes.
do that. Have everybody do that.